Can you do that again? You're so cute. What are you gonna do? All right. Tiny rolling pin inside. Tiny rolling pin. Yeah. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? If you don't look at the camera, just look at that. Look at how cool that is. I know. It's pretty darn cool. Don't you think? Do you want me to roll it instead? Oh, you little bug. Look at that little chest go. Here, baby. What's that? Oh no, it went right past you. Are you ready? Here it comes. Coming in. Ooh, ooh, not a great roll on Mom's part. Oh no! You took it apart! Yeah, you didn't want them both together anymore. So now you have two. One, two. Uh-oh. There. Yeah. Oh, I'm supposed to... Well, you're behind me. So you're going to make me turn all the way around and you're going to keep going. You just keep going in circles. Where are you going? Are we playing Ring Around the Rosie? Because that's what it feels like. Good job. Are you ready for this? Are you ready for it? I'm going to roll it into the box. Wow, did you see that? That was amazing. Hi. Oh, really? And why aren't we in the box then? Yeah. But we were supposed to be running into the box to get the pin. Too busy preening. Pimp my bird. You gonna go for this? There. I could watch you run all day. Jeepers. Hey, baby. Are you celebrating National Parrot Day? Because that's what it is. It's Parrot Day. Yeah. Parrot Day, little man. Yeah, what do you think about that? Are you happy? Yeah, yeah, you are happy, yeah. Yeah. What do you want to play with next? I have this. What about this? I'm rolling it to you. Whoa, there goes Jack. All right. Good job. You didn't do much with it, but you did touch it. That's more than usual. What's this low riding thing you're doing? You were on a roll. I love that. Your little runs are the best.